How to customize iPhone lock screen in iOS 18. Let's get started. First up, head over to your lock screen. For that, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Now go ahead and press and hold on the screen. You'll get this kind of option at the bottom, customize. Click on that. Now click on lock screen. Now you have just enabled customization mode for your iOS. First up, you can customize the font and color for your clock. Just click on it. Now select the font, likewise color. Now I can add widget. Click on the option of add widget. Here you're going to find the list of the app you can use as a widget in your lock screen. So I'm going to add Instagram, likewise shortcuts. Likewise, if you want to change the wallpaper for your lock screen, you can click on this picture icon. Then go ahead and select the picture of your choice and set it up. By swiping to the right, you can change the filter for the picture. With iOS 18, now you are able to change the camera and flashlight icon as well. Click on this minus icon. With that, these will be removed. Now click on the option of plus. Now from here, you can select any of the control to set it up for your lock screen. Let's use airplane mode and then Snapchat. Once you are done with customization process, you can click on done. So this way you can easily customize iPhone lock screen on iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.